Somehow you got cleared by 34. For that. You're going now to Fullerton because you just became clear. 6. Norman. Her house was burglarized. Sector is first open. Please.
29. 3. The ambulance 56.
By 310-4. 7-4, please. And 3 end on Citywide. We got shots fired now. 2425 East 72nd Street. 2425 East 72 at Kennedy Fish and Chicken. Female, hard to understand, a lot of screaming. They're not sure if someone shot or not. 3rd District, Zone 7 clear. We also just got a violation order of protection. Just hit the board, 6800 South Cottage. Female, black, blue pants, Christine Adams violating the order, throwing bricks. She has a stick. Miss Travis is the caller. 3rd District, Zone 7 clear. 116. All right, is that being coded or is 56 staying on the scene? I believe 56 might be talking to the owner, but I know 32 is still there. All right, so I have you clear then. I'm clear. Good.
Street South, 15 South Albany.
60 David, where's the stop at?
15 South Albany.
South Albany, 10-4. I'll refuse, no call back. This district's on it. 6080536-080. Your event is 04914. 10-4. 2524.
2-4.
A couple of calls of an assault in progress. At 3633 West Fullerton, anonymous caller says there's a group of gang members threatening a patient in front of the health center. I'll get a unit to ride with you.
No, that's okay. I'm a ways off anyway. That's a grocery store, so might be bad info. I'll let you know though.
Send another unit for this. 2512 to assist. 522 coming in.
19 positive job. I'm gonna go by Fullerton.
522, thanks a lot. Additional, all units stand by for just a second. On the assault in progress, additional information. Caller states 3 male blacks are trying to jump on her boyfriend. The male Hispanic standing on the corner wearing all red and stated that he's in front of the chiropractor's office. All right, next unit coming in.
512, you're calling.
Disregard 2512. Another unit's going to ride on that instead.
Austin 0680.
Austin 0680.
A female officer for an assist at 140 North Central.
Female officer available for 140 North Central.
I'll go.
Thank you, ma'am.
2511.
2511.
Henry Sam 534961. Both plates recover. Car return the owner. Could you clear from the hot file?
10-4, sir.
2513.
2513.
Mobile 31, please.
531 for the mobile.
Guys, this is a expedition, but it's got a plate on it. I've been backed up here. I can't get out. If you can code that job out of Normandy, I appreciate it. Alright, I'm checking the house right now. 2523. You got a call back? I'm over here. I'm getting no hand waves or anything. For now, check.
187. Adam is clear. Let me put you on it. And there's an anonymous caller, but let me check the other ticket. Stand by. Number is 077320. 077320.
Night-night.
Four.
Which one you doing?
We're getting Fullerton and Monticello, and Yvette is the caller, and we're making a call back right now. The other ticket was 3633 West Fullerton.
Right, the one going at 6945 Fullerton, correct?
What's 2331?
Wendy.
Info, sir. We're making a call back now. 514. Next unit coming in.
Avo fără den, men delinquent, tratta cum pain dancan, col cu fatal va mia ben, e malliga